Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on Facebook. If you want to try login your account and you are facing this type of problem, so I'll show you how can you fix this in your iPhone. Just simply go back from here, and firstly what you need to do is just simply open settings, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on mobile data if you are using mobile data, and then again tap on mobile data and make sure that low data mode is turned off from here, and then go back from here. And if you were using Wi-Fi, then you have to tap on Wi-Fi, and from here you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is strong enough. If you don't have strong enough connection, then what you need to do is just simply turn off the Wi-Fi and use your phone to mobile data, and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still is there, then what you need to do is just simply open App Store, and from here you have to make sure that you have an updated version of Facebook. So from here you have to search for Facebook. Now from here you have to make sure that you have an updated version. As you can see guys, it's showing here open. If it's showing here update, then you have to update your Facebook and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the console is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again, and then you have to scroll it down from here, and from here you have to tap on general, and then you have to tap on date in time, and from here you have to make sure that shut automatically toggle is turned on. If this toggle is turned off, then you have to turn it on, and then go back from here. And from here what you need to do is just simply open general again, and then you have to scroll it down from here, and then you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then you have to tap on reset again, and from here you have to reset network setting. So you have to reset network setting to confirm the process. So this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory default. So after that what you need to do is just simply check whether your POM has been fixed or not. And if the console is there, then what you need to do is just simply uninstall your Facebook and restart your phone, and then reinstall your Facebook, and then check whether your POM has been fixed or not. And if the console is there, then what you need to do is just simply open any browser in your phone. And let me tell you that this is a bug from Facebook team. So you have to log in your account in browser. So you have to search for Facebook, log in, and from here you have to tap on first link, and here you have to put your email address or password, and here you have to enjoy your Facebook. Tell the Facebook team is not fix your problem. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.